morning students. So already we complete exercise 5.1 and 5.2. Remaining 5.3 and 5.4 is there. So now we take the topic is a general form of a straight line. This is exercise 5.4. After we complete 5.4, after we take 5.3, right? Because 5.4 is very important exercise. In this exercise they will ask 5 more, 2 more and all. So for that reason I am taking now 5.4. Right. General form of a straight line. What is general form of a straight line? Means ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is equation of the straight line. So already you know 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Like this they are given on equation, means this is called straight line equation, the line equation, right? So here using the variable, that's all. So ax like this format, one is x variable, one y variable plus constant, x variable, y variable plus constant. Like this we are having, mean this is called the line equation, they are saying, right? So this is general form. For this line equation we need to write parallel line. For this equation parallel line is what? Parallel, this is shortcut, parallel, written shortcut. Parallel means same thing, ax plus by. For c I written plus k equal to 0. This is constant term only change. Like this you return, means that is called for this line is parallel. For example, equation 1, this is equation 2, 1 is parallel to 2, 1 equal to 2, both are parallel lines. For example, already I told 3x, 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. For this line, we need to draw one parallel line, means we need to write 2x plus 3y minus 3x plus k equal to 0. Some constant will be changed. For k equal to I return 5, means like this. Here 4, here 5. Remaining are no change. 3x, 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y. So only constant term only we changed, means the lines always parallel by the condition, right? So ax plus by plus c equal to 0 means for this line the parallel is what? Ax plus by plus k equal to 0. Like that we need to write. Then perpendicular. Perpendicular means for this line, for this equation 1 we need to draw one perpendicular line, means what we need to do? Coefficient of x will be transferred to the coefficient of y. So we have to interchange this, interchanging what? This b will be come to the nearer to the x, the a will be nearer to the y. So bx ay, here positive means we need to write negative. Here positive means we need to write negative. Interchanging the coefficient of x and y, that's all. And then for c, constant term also will change. Constant term also will change. Here suppose we are having 5, 6 means here constant term will be changed. Like this we return, means this is called perpendicular to the equation 1. For this line equation, this is perpendicular line. How you are saying? Means, for example, 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Right? I take one number, 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now, this one I return, I take this y to this side. Y equal to 2x minus 3. Like this we need to write. Why you are writing means, put x equal to 0. Already you know the 9th standard itself you draw the graph. So we have to write x equal to 0 means Here you need to apply x equal to 0 means what we are getting? 0 into anything 0, y equal to minus 3 you are getting. So x equal to 0, y equal to minus 3. Right? Then put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1 means y equal to what? X equal to 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 3, minus 1. So we are getting y equal to minus 1. The point is one is 0 comma minus 3, another one is 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1. Put x equal to 2. Here apply 2 means 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 3, 1. So here I find 0 comma minus 3, 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma 1. For we need to draw the graph 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Like this we need to draw means 0 comma minus 3, x equal to 0, minus 3 will be here. So I pointed 1 comma minus 1, x equal to 1, minus 1. Here I need to point 2 comma 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 1. It will be nearly here. So we join the point means straight line you are getting. So for that reason only we are saying like this equation is given mean that is called straight line equation. Ax plus by plus c, 2x minus y minus 3, straight line equation. We are getting what? Straight line. Clear? Right. So here what I am told, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Parallel means ax plus b same only, but here c, here k. Constant only change for parallel lines. So this is for this equation we are getting like this on straight line. Now I changing constant number only. Y equal to 2x minus 3 r. Now I take y equal to 2x plus 2. Constant term I changed. Here minus 3, here plus 2. That's all. I changed the constant term only. Now put x equal to 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. Y equal to 2. Put x equal to 1, 2 plus 2, 4. Y equal to 4. X equal to 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Y equal to 6. This is not in your book. I will explain deeply why you have written the lines are parallel. How it is possible. Right? Now 0 comma 2. Again I am saying 2x minus y minus 3 is parallel to 2x minus y plus 2. I change only the constant term. Right? I change only the constant term. So you are getting on a constant term. Right? So 0 comma 2. 0 over here. 2 equal to what? Here. 0 comma 2. The point will be here. 1 comma 4. X equal to 1. 4. Another one point. 2 comma 6. Here 5. Here 6 means 2 comma 6. Nearly here. So what are you getting? Like this line only we are getting. This line. This is what line? 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. The constant number only changing, but the line is parallel. Right? So like this equation you change it means 100% it will be satisfied. So the general equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 means for this line parallel line means only one thing we need to change what? Constant term only we need to change. The same process you are doing for perpendicular lines, you are getting the perpendicular line. So for perpendicular line, perpendicular means what? Perpendicular means This is minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 2. I want to go to the right side means you are going right side. I saying you go to right side means you are going left side means opposite direction. The direction will be going positive side, but you are oppositely moved means you are getting negative. Opposite, that is perpendicular. So perpendicular means one line is x-axis means perpendicular line means y-axis. So this is called perpendicular. For this line is perpendicular, right? So already you know. So perpendicular means always opposite. Opposite means, so we are interchanging variable of x and y, and then constant term we have to change. So like this you written means this is perpendicular line. Clear? So why I am saying this one means in this exercise we are using the concept of straight line equation, and then we have to find the slope also. This is one general equation. From this line equation we have to find the slope means how we have to find. The formula is m equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. This is formula for finding the slope. Then for given the line equation is that time we have to find the slope means just you take the coefficient of x and then coefficient of y. Coefficient of x is what? X is what? A. So m equal to minus is there, minus coefficient of x is what? For x near term is what? A. So I written A. For y b. So minus a by b. So in the sums you are written like this means it is understood a is coefficient of x and b is coefficient of y. Clear? This is formula for finding the slope by the given equation, straight line equation. Clear? So using these two concepts we are doing the sum now. Clear? So and then one more. The lines are perpendicular, the slopes are parallel means m1 equal to m2. Right? The slopes are perpendicular. This is slopes are parallel. Slopes are perpendicular means m1 cross m2 equal to minus 1. Slopes are parallel means we have one graph means slopes are parallel. Here on line, here on line. Slopes are parallel. That's all. Slopes are perpendicular means one slope is like this, another slope is perpendicular to this. 90 degree we are getting. Whenever we are getting the 90 degree for the slope, that is called perpendicular. So into for shortcut. So m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Clear? So another words I am writing this one. This m2 equal to minus 1. This is we take means m1. That is m2 equal to minus 1 by m1. One slope is reciprocal to another one slope. That is called perpendicular. Because I am written the line like this means you are writing the line like this. Perpendicular. I want to go right side means you are going left side, opposite direction. I want to go top means you are going to bottom. So I want to go up means you are going down. Opposite. I want to go right means you are going left side. Opposite. So always opposite. So m1 cross m2 equal to minus 1 means m2 equal to minus 1 by m1. That is reciprocal. So another one example. m1 equal to 1 by 5 you are getting means m2 is perpendicular to m1 means m2 equal to, for this reciprocal is what? 1 by 5. I written 5. Negative. Here positive means here negative. Like this we need to write. So these are the formulas for finding the